Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we'll learn how to make a ladybug. Yes, it's a ladybug craft for which we require some red sheet, A4 size red sheet, black sheet and a small white piece of paper. That's it. Yes, a small piece of paper, white. Now we'll start making it, for which on the red sheet you will make a circle. Now you can make a circle of any size, but whatever circle you are making has to be of similar size. Like I am taking 13 centimeter, so you will make 3 circles, one black and 2 red circles. I have already made 2 red circles on a piece of paper. Okay, so all 3 circles has to be of same size. So first step is we will cut all the 3 circles. Right, I have already drawn one. The black circle is here. I'll cut the red one and the 2 red circles I will cut. Okay, so for that be patient, use scissors. I know scissors can be sharp. You can take the help of your parents, or in case you are grown up, then no need. Okay, you can handle it yourself. I know that. So we are creating this beautiful ladybug, and it's very easy. It's a 3D ladybug. I'll just show you. Now the first step is we'll cut all the 3 circles. Have to be in same size. You can take any size, but all the 3 circles have to be in same size. So in case you are making a bigger one, you can always do that. You can take the circle of a bigger size, but of course then again your rest of the circles have to be of the same size. Now while cutting, whenever we are using scissors, we have to take a note, first thing. Second, because scissors are sharp, we might hurt ourselves, so do it very patiently and very neatly. Okay, now the second thing is, whatever things we are cutting and the extra stuff which is there, we always have to keep the surface clean. So you keep it aside right now and then later on throw it in the dustbin. So what I have got is, I have got 3 circles of same size, right? So the first step is we'll take one circle, we will fold it from the center and we will paste it like this one. So we will fold it, this one again we will fold it from the center and we will paste it. Right, so we will paste it like this. Now we will paste it later. First we will create the rest of the things. Now what we will do is, I have to cut a smaller circle for the head. You can see this head. We will cut a smaller circle. So this circle is of, I have taken it 2.5 centimeters. My earlier was 13 centimeters. But you can take a smaller circle for the head. And later on we'll paste all the things together. Okay. So again take a note. Now in case for eyes also we will cut 2 circles, small circles from the white surface. Or else what you can do is, you can just, if you have googly eyes, you can use that also. So it's a smaller circle for the head. So first we will cut all the things and then later we will paste it. So this will be the head, these will be the wings. Now what we will do is, I have taken a small piece of white paper, I have drawn a circle and we will fold it. Why we are folding it? Because when we'll cut one circle, we'll get the second circle of the equal size. So that's important. So just fold it and create a circle. And here, in case you have googly eyes, you can use that also. There is no hard and fast rule that we have to create it ourselves. Okay, but yes, of course, in case you don't have googly eyes, then you have to make them here. And for that what you need is, you need just a simple white sheet. So I've cut these circles. So when we are cutting them together, it might be a problem little, but it's okay, because otherwise it will be difficult for us to create 2 circles which are of same size. Okay, so done. And for the antenna, what we will do is, we will take the red sheet again Right, I have taken the red sheet. I will take just a small piece of red sheet. I will cut a small rectangle, and we will cut the rectangle from the center also. So we'll get 2 small strips. Now for this also, if you have origami strips, you can use that. I want 2 small strips, that's it. Okay, now what we will do is we'll do the assembling of our ladybug, for which what we require is we will paste only one thing. The first step is, so all our things are here. The first step is we will place some Fevicol. Just paste some Fevicol, right? And you have to paste it diagonally. Okay, don't paste it straight on the circle. You'll paste it a little diagonal. That's it. And the second one again with the same point. Right, so we will place both the things diagonally. Just apply Fevicol over on the other side also, and we will be pasting it. And it will look beautiful and very easy to create this ladybug craft. One is on diagonal, the other one has to be diagonal. Then only it will look beautiful and it will look 3D. Now we are pasting only the back side. This side has to be open. Right? Only the back side is what we are pasting. Now we have this circle. We will apply a little Fevicol and paste it. So what you have to do is you have to just apply a little Fevicol and we will just paste it on the back side. Right? Okay. This is done. Now we have these 2 eyes and we'll just apply Fevicol on one end and we will paste it here, and I am applying it on the other side and I will paste it. Very easy and simple steps to create this craft, and you can make it very simply. Just okay, we had these. Now what we will do is we will just fold it. Take your pencil and just roll it on it. That's it. And press it. When you'll open it, you'll get a right. And we will apply a little Fevicol on this also and we will paste it. So this will become our antennas of a ladybug. So when we are making all the details, remember it will give you a wonderful effect. So don't forget, just make all the details and just repeat that closely. The same step we will apply on this one also. Any questions you have, you can just let us know. We will help you out. You can write in the comment box. So we will guide you accordingly. Now you can see this, we have made 2 antennas. Okay, now what we'll do is we require a marker, and with the marker first we will draw the eyes. So for the eyes, what we will do is we will make one more circle inside it. Just a simple circle freehand, and we will make one circle and one more. Okay, just to give the effect of the eye. The similar circle on the other side, and we will be creating the so you all can see the eye. And now we will just make some spots. You all know ladybug has some black spots on it. So we will just create those spots. So this is the half circle which I have created, and then we will make some more circles. This can be freehand, okay? And you have to fill the color with the sketch pen. You can also cut the circles and paste them, but it would be a little difficult. So I thought, why not make it easy? You can also use a bigger size bindi if you have. You can do that also. And your creativity is most welcome. You can apply your creativity and you can create it. So you all can see I am making some circles here. The same we will make it on the other side. So there is no hard and fast rule, and don't make them in lines. Okay, some big, some small will do, but don't make them in lines. My marker isn't working. I tried a little, so I'll take the other one. So it's a 3D ladybug which is ready. I hope you will enjoyed making it. Do subscribe the channel and share it with your family and friends. And yes, of course, when you subscribe it, you like it and comment and share, then it gives me a motivation to make such more videos for you all, so that you all can enjoy making it. Hope you all like it. These are 2 ladybugs. You can even play with that. You can enjoy making this. These are 3D ladybugs. Bye everyone. Take care. Stay happy and stay safe.